Projects in StaffMap are the containers that hold all of your employee information, asset, desk information, as well as your floor plan images. Depending on your needs, you might have a single project like you see here, or you might separate projects into regions or different offices as well, but you have the flexibility to do whatever works for you. Right now, we're looking at the main project management screen. By default, on the on-premise version, you'll be looking at this at localhost /staffmap4, or if it's on another server or your own domain somewhere, it might be something like yourdomain.com/staffmap4. At the top of the screen, you'll see two buttons, Add Project and Upload Project. To add a project to this list, of course, just click the Add Project button, give it a name, click Add Projects, and from there, it'll be taken directly into the project, where you'll see the default floor plan and some login options. It is important to note when you're making that project, the name is directly reflected in the URL. So whatever you name the project, that is also the URL that you will use or send to other people to visit that same project. We'll jump back to the project screen just by manipulating the URL. The Upload Project button allows you to bring backups that you've made back into this system. And we'll go over backups as well in a moment. Below that is the main project list. We'll see the employee demo project that I already had, as well as the My Office project that I created. You can just click into these to jump into them, and then back to go back to the project screen. To the right of every project, you'll see a little eye icon. And if I click on that, I'll get some further options. So you can just delete the project outright. You can copy the project and give it a new name. And this is really useful maybe for move management or if you're just archiving a project. You can also back up with the backup button. If I click that, it will download a carbon copy backup of the project to your default downloads folder. And the extension is .sm4.zip. And with that zip file, that's what you could bring back. If I jump back and click Upload Project, you would select this from the file selection dialog. You just select that .sm4.zip file, and it will bring it back into the system for you. Jumping back to the options, you also have the ability to lock a project. So if I click that, essentially it will make it so no changes can be made at all. The entire project will be read-only. You can't update any info or change project settings or change kind of any employee or desk information as well. It's totally locked from changes. At the top left of the screen, you'll see, of course, the software name, and under that, you'll see a version number, which can be important when you're upgrading or if you're troubleshooting or coming to support for some help. So just make a note of that. Below that, there's also a password protect this form link. So by default, this page is open, but as an administrator, I might want to lock this just to me because you do have some advanced permissions here to delete projects and make new projects. So I can just click on that. I'll add my new password in, click OK. And now whenever I have to access this page, I do have to enter that password.